Hello, my name is Ibrahim Mukaila and I am an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do mobile layout of your reports. So when designing Power BI reports, one other important thing most people forget is the consideration of people that would view or consume their report using mobile phones. So people don't tend to do what we call the mobile layout for that. For instance, how do you want the look of your report to be when the people use a mobile? Do you want them to see the entire visuals that you have, or you just want to keep some to when you want to see it from a desktop and you see just few of them when you're, which is important when you're on the mobile. So how do we do that? So let's go ahead. I have this report, so whoever is viewing from a desktop or from a laptop would see this. So, what do I want someone view from a mobile to see? Let's say I want the person to just see my total sales and my total profit, and then my profits are by month. Or let's say I want to see my profits by country alone. I don't want them to see profits by month because I believe it's a 12 different sections and to be probably too much and to fix in a small screen size. So I just want them to see total sales, total profit, and then profit by country. So how do I do this? So what I need to do is to first go to view, and in view there's a mobile layout that's here. So I'm just going to click on that mobile layout. What this automatically does is fix my screen to a mobile layout, and it gives me the ability to be able to put in what I want to see there. So I want to see total sales. I'm going to put this and drag it here, and I'm just going to extend it so the person can actually see everything about it. I also want the person to see my total profit, so I'm going to drag it here and put it here. And I'm going to extend also to see. And I want the person to see profit by country, so I'm going to put it here, drag it to the end, and drag it a little bit down so it's a little clear to whoever needs to see it. Yeah, I just designed my mobile layout. So whoever is checking my report from a mobile will be only able to see the total sales, the total profit, and the profit by country alone. It won't be seeing things like total sold units and my profit by month. So that's it could be a reason I could want to fix everything here. It's totally fine. I can scroll up and start fixing down or and put every other thing there and just put the most important at the top that such that immediately it opens, it sees the most important thing. If the most important is like let's say total profit, I can click this and drag it to the top. Let me just do this and drag this down and take this to the top and take this here, and you can see I can, so that's the design for mobile layout. So I'm done with my mobile. If I need to go back to my desktop, I just need to come here and click on mobile layout, and it changes back to the desktop, and I can see the full whole thing again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more on analytics with Power BI and other data sciences course, kindly log on to www.zacraclearning.com. Please, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel. And also do not forget to drop your comments below. Bye for now.